Hello everyone and welcome to hands-on demo on Amazon SNS. So in this demo we will be creating a topic first. So for this you sign into AWS console and go to Amazon SNS. So search for SNS and click on simple notification service. So click on the left hamburger menu and click on topics. So first is to create a topic. Click on create topic button. So by default FIFO will be chosen, but click on standard and give a topic name. So I'll be just using topic name as my topic. You can keep the display name optional as blank, and you can check out the other setting, but we will not be changing anything. Encryption optional, access policy, data protection policy, and then delivery policy, delivery status logging, tags optional, and active tracing optional. So then click on create topic. So next step is to create a subscription. So go to the next page, create a subscription to the topic. So you click on choose subscription, create subscription, then you will choose the topic ARN, which will be automatically populated because we have just created a topic. And for the protocol, choose email and endpoint, enter an email address that can receive notification, and then choose create subscription. So I'll click subscriptions, create subscription, then topic ARN. So this is automatically getting populated because we just created a my topic, and select protocol as email, and herein type in your email ID for testing. So we can just check out what is inside subscription filter policy and redrive policy for dead letter queue, and that's all. Create subscription. So once the subscription is created, you have to check your email inbox and confirm subscription. So I just received an email and I have to click on the confirm subscription. Yes, so I have to actually click on the second link because the other one was from my previous testing. So I'll just click confirm subscription. So subscription confirmed. Next step is to publish a message to the topic, and I should be receiving that on my email. So for this, go to the topics page. Click on select the topic and click publish message. Enter a subject. So I'll just copy the subject from here. Hello from Amazon SNS. And for message body, just select the default identical payload for all delivery protocols, and select the body, email body. So I'll just copy it. Okay, and click on publish message. So message has been published. So you can see in the topic details page, it is confirmed and it is published. So I can go ahead and check my email. So herein I can see the email being published 0 minutes ago, and publishing a message to SNS topic and the subject hello from Amazon SNS. So now we will just delete the subscription and the topic. So go to the subscriptions page. So click on subscriptions, select the subscription and click on delete. And then finally go to the topics, select the topic and click on delete. Type in delete me. So topic is also deleted. And that's all. Thanks for watching.